Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Back on the Ninja H2, mainly because you saw the title and thumbnail. And yeah, last meet we went to was kind of a fail. Camera died, it was dark, it was rainy, so this is a redo. But yeah, I was telling you guys, well, my voice is all cracky. You know, I am not a morning person, and I know it's not that early. It's like 10 right now, but that's early for a weekend for me. But yeah, last meet was a fail, so this time we're taking to H2 to one of OC's biggest meets, Cars and Coffee. It's a legal meet that is hosted by a super big group. Hypercars, supercars, all type of cars show up. It really depends on the day. Last time I took the V4R there, so this time I was gonna take the V4 just because I barely rode it yesterday when we did PPF on it, and that wasn't like enough. I wanted to ride the V4R more, but I was like, ah man, the last meet we went to was a fail, so figured we'll take the H2. And hopefully I don't run out of gas, because I don't think I filled up last time when I rode the H2. This bike slurps gas, so we'll see about that. Alright, no more of that. Just wanted to do a little something. And I still haven't done my clutch, so gotta take it a little easy in the high revs, and I gotta take it a little easy taking off the line. I think we made it in time. As usual, there's like people waiting outside for vehicles to leave and film them. But we made it. We still have like 25 minutes till the meet is over. Nice ZL1. Oh, that Rolls Royce. 720. Yeah, there's a lot of cool cars. Hopefully there's enough cool cars that are like still there, because I see a lot of people are leaving. What is that? Let me know in the comments if you guys know what that is. I made him pull a stoppie. I didn't brake that hard though. He probably just didn't see me or expect me to stop. What in the world is this? He's like, do a wheelie. Oh, that's a nice Hellcat. Alright, sorry you're going too slow. Yeah, they gotta like navigate the traffic and everything. But we're bikers. Bikers don't follow rules. Holy, seems pretty packed, which is really good. Looks like a lot of people are leaving, but still a lot of people here. A lot of bikes are here. Oh, that 4GT though. Ooh, look at those crazy cars. Oh, 765 LT, that is nice. My poor clutch and hands are going out from going this slow on this bike. I know, I'm not supposed to be revving here. They're very strict about that, and they usually kick people out. I gotta give the people a little show, you know, gotta give the people what they want. Beautiful GT3 RS, STO. Oh, that's the VF Engineering STO, supercharged. So that's crazy. Alright, let's go back and just park. That sounds good. Sounds familiar. Hey. Good, how are you? Oh, hi. I saw you in the... I felt bad, they're old ladies, I had to let them walk.
Have you seen the pagoda?
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Nah.
I'm having an event tomorrow about hyperbikes and there'll be one there.
I'm down to go there.
Yeah, dude, if you cruise through, if you rolled in, I would love that.
Yeah, sure. What's up, man? Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you. What's up, man? Nice to meet you, bro. Thank you, man. Oh, that's sick. I like that. It's already getting nicer and warmer. I'm waking up a little bit, you know. But yeah, this is nice.
Yo, so they make like two ones, right? There's the H2 and there's the R, which is not street legal.
Yes, pretty much.
But so you still have the supercharger and you just make a little less power, right?
You can actually make more with an H2 if you build it. Mine is making similar. An H2R makes about like 310.
Yeah.
This one's making 300 right now.
Okay, yeah.
Because I have a full exhaust system replicating the V4R.
Exhaust like the H2R.
Yeah, the H2R.
Yeah.
And
Carbon from there too, I see it. From factory.
no, this actually has more carbon than the H2R. I added a lot of carbon to it. Even the H2R doesn't come with that much carbon.
Because I used to ride when this thing like first came out.
Yeah, this is a 2015 model. That's when it first came out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's sick, bro. This thing is fucking crazy fast. It's like hard to keep it down in like third.
Oh yeah. This is lower than it doesn't want to stay down. I can never like pin it.
Yeah, and it sounds, I was hoping I'll hear your supercharger, but when you revved it so loud you can't hear it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can actually somewhat hear it if you're in the front, but I don't want to get kicked out, so.
Yeah, no, there's hella strict.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, usually all the spots are like full, but a lot of people left. That looks nice. Definitely won't keep up with the V4 or the H2 though. Looks beautiful though. Those wheels are crazy. I like Huracans, and STO is even better. Alright, literally the meet is like completely over. I think we're here like half an hour after the meet ended. There's still the 765 is somewhere over there. A lot of cool cars left. Everyone's pretty much leaving right now. Met a lot of people and bikers and all that stuff. But yeah, it was fun. I wish this meet was like more during the day. Like if it started around this time, it's so much nicer and warmer right now. Gee, the R8 has a massive wing. Please leave slowly and quietly. Yeah, you gotta be like respectful over here, or you will get kicked out and banned. They literally ban people. They're like, this dude got this vehicle, so he can't be here. I think I'm about to... Ooh, that's a nice Huracan. A friend of mine recently got V4 Street Fighter, which I know you guys really like that bike, so I'm probably gonna be riding it and doing a little review on it. I've never been on like a fast naked bike, so we'll see how that's gonna go. Oh, the Ferrari. Oh, that's a nice Ferrari. The group grew. I don't even know what's going on. video for you today, guys. But I can't talk anymore. This is where I'm gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and support. You guys want to see more meets, so I'm going to more meets. I'll catch you guys very soon in the next video. Peace out and ride safe.